If you right now are at home and you have nothing to do, chess is just amazing for you. It's a great way to pass time, have fun, and learn important skills. So today I will teach you how to set up the chessboard, which is the basics of the basics in learning chess. So to start, over here you can see our numbers, which are called ranks. There's 8 of them. This is the first rank, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So the white army will be on the first and the second, while the black army is on the seventh and on the eighth. So let's jump right into it. The first figure is called the pawn, and it looks like this. There are 8 pawns, and they fill up the entire second rank, right over here. So we're going to put pawns right on this second line. They fill up the entire second rank. While on the 7th rank, which is up here, the second to last one, we have the same thing, but for the black army. Okay, our next figures are the rooks. The rooks look like this, and for white, they're placed on both corners, one over here and one in the other corner. Same thing for black. One over here and one over here. Next are the knights. They look like this. And they're placed right next to the rooks. So over here and over here. And same thing for black. Next to the rook and next to the rook. Our next figure is the bishop, which looks like this. The bishop is placed next to the knight, over here and over here. And same thing for black, here and here. So the last 2 figures for white placed over here and over here, while for black, here and here, up there. So those 2 figures are called the king and the queen. This is how they look. This is the king, and this is the queen. So people often confuse where which stands, but here's the trick. The queen likes its own color. So if this queen is white, it likes its own color. So it will stand on the white space over here. While the king, it's going to take the other one, here. And for black, if our queen is black, then it's going to stand on its own color, right over here, and the king will take the other space. A great way to remember is that you'll always see that the rook will be across from the rook, knight across from knight, bishop across from bishop, queen from queen, king from king, and so on. So this is what a chess board looks like. And from here, you could start playing. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode where I will teach you the different figures and how they move. Goodbye.